Hello, and today I just wanted to make a quick video showing you what it looks like when you reset a MyLifter. So, as you can see, if you're watching this video, you probably have one of these. Some of you may be looking at it as it's mounted on the ceiling like this. Some of you, if it's off of your ceiling, may be holding it like this because it sits really well on a desk. Either way, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to locate the status light and you're going to want to locate the pair button. And so mainly the way that we're going to reset this, and I'll go through it, is we're going to press and hold that pair button, and we're going to continue to hold it down until this light blinks red and yellow back and forth really quickly. As soon as it blinks that, we're going to let go of the button and press it one more time. This light is going to flash green, indicating that the factory reset was successful, and from there we can go and pair the motor like normal. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for y'all to see. So the first part is we're going to go and hold down that button. As soon as it flashes red and yellow, just like that, let go, press it, it flashes green once or twice. That indicates that the factory reset was successful. If you've done that and that green light flashed 2 or 3 times green, that means that it was successful and that you've fully factory reset this motor. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that occasionally with the app can be slow to realize that a MyLifter motor has been factory reset. So a lot of times what you're going to want to do is, in this example, I have an iPhone, you'll want to close out of the app, double tap, completely close the app, and then go ahead and reopen it. Go to Add Devices. Once you're there, you'll go ahead and click the pair button. And as you'll see really quickly, new device is added, tester, and I'm connected and the motor should be working just like new. Awesome, thank you so much.